Since 1994, Eurodita has been a global leader in crafting exceptional log cabins and wooden structures. Our skilled craftsmen ensure every project reflects on our dedication to quality and sustainability. Quality control is central to our process, guaranteeing that each log cabin meets the highest industry standards. As a bespoke manufacturer, we empower clients to fully customize their orders, tailoring shape, size, quantity, and branding. We support retailers and wholesalers, ensuring seamless coordination and trackable delivery. Contact us today and discover exciting B2B collaboration opportunities with Eurodita.